Here's where dependable and affordable come together. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Beautiful vehicle, clean as a pin. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, lots of cargo room, a reversible cargo mat. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 17-inch alloy wheels with a brand new set of Yokohama tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports for their devices. It's super white with nutmeg interior, factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. Just as nice inside as it is out. Forward collision sensor right in the middle of the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Power moonroof, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor located in your rearview mirror. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and dynamic radar cruise. Only 83,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth, backup camera, dual zone climate control, traction control, a 12-volt outlet, USB port, auxiliary audio jack, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, Carfax vehicle history report, and those power moonroof controls located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.